Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming requirements. Windows 11 needs TPM2, 0 and Secure Boot enabled, so make sure those are present. Once backed up, reboot your machine and press the manufacturer key to enter BIOS or UEFI firmware. This gets you where changes are made. Take a photo of current settings so you can revert if needed. While in BIOS, use keyboard navigation to find security or boot tabs. Make sure to save time by locating firmware settings or advanced options next. This prepares you to toggle Secure Boot. Now you enable Secure Boot and understand why. It verifies bootloader integrity to stop unsigned malware. Once in the correct menu, change Secure Boot to enabled and set OS type or mode to Windows UEFI so keys match Windows 11 expectations. If the firmware reports keys missing or is in setup mode, select Install Default Keys or Reset to Setup Mode to populate vendor keys. Make sure to confirm choices. Some firmwares require you to explicitly enroll keys or switch modes before rebooting into Windows. Finish by saving BIOS settings and rebooting. Once in Windows, open System Information and verify Secure Boot is on. If you encounter a boot failure, don't panic. Back in BIOS, revert the last change or boot from Windows Repair Media to restore a known good state. Make sure to update UEFI firmware and device drivers if Secure Boot blocks drivers or triggers errors, because newer firmware often resolves compatibility issues. If problems persist, use your backup and restore, or seek vendor-specific steps for key enrollment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.